we have to check if our function is even, odd, or neither. So we have to check how our function f behaves for f of negative x. So let's see. I have to replace x by negative x. So it will be 1, we copy, plus 2. And now we have negative x to power third minus, and in parentheses we will have negative x to power 7. This is equal. We have 1 plus 2. I can rewrite this in parentheses. I will have negative 1 times x, everything to power third, minus, and in parentheses I will have negative 1 times x, everything to power 7. So this is equal. We have 1 plus 2, and because we have multiplication here, I can take negative 1 to power third times x to third, minus, we have negative 1 to power 7, the same like before, times x to power 7. So this is equal. We have 1 plus 2 times negative 1 to third power, because the power is odd, it means we have negative 1, times x to third, minus, the power is odd, it means the same, we have negative 1 to power 7 is equal negative 1 times x to power 7. This is equal. We copy 1 and we have positive 2 times negative 1 is negative 2 x to third, and we have negative and negative give us positive. 1 times x to 7 power is x to 7. Now we have to compare what we got from the beginning. We have 1 and we have different signs. It means f of negative x is not equal f of x. So our function is not even. And f of negative x is not equal negative f of x. It means our function is not odd. So we can say our function is either.